I just put in at Culkein, I'm going around the point of Stoer, or trying to. It's just started bleeding raining. I don't mind the rain, it's all the drips on the lens. There's Handa Island where I was yesterday. Can't believe it. I pissed about all day. When I finally come for pudding, it starts raining. So it's raining now. It's not so bad, I can still see mountains and stuff. Just everything's dull as ditch water. And a bit of shelter here. I like a bit of a cave, it's quite lovely clear water. Nice and pleasant. By God, this boat of mine is a completely different animal. You know, weight in it. It responds, it seems to paddle a lot faster, easier, turns easier. But the downside of it is it's a bit more tippy. Look at pelicans beak there now, Christ. We're watching this fulmer, he looks like he's trying to land, I don't know what he's doing. Like a miniature albatross, I was imagining it. That is clearly sand ripples on a beach, but yet it's upside down. I saw some of that yesterday at Handa Island and thought to myself, no, it can't be. But that is definitely sand ripples. Now it could be an imprint. There's a good cave here. Goodbye there, look at this. Here's a good cave and all. But that's definitely ripples on the beach. And it is sandstone. Christ, I hope none of that falls down from up there. Because if it does, I am brown bread. For the first time today, only guano. Oh, this is good. This is more like it. Urchin there. Little urchin. Not a bad little cave this actually. It's a little, it's quite impressive. An incredible bit of rock actually. Look at that there, it's obviously been some stack and it's tumbled over at some stage. By God. I'm glad I went sat at rocks there and that happened. That looks like part of a same kind of stack there, that side. Like a buttress. Hold it wall back, hold it wall up. The interesting bit now, that bit on the right is Handa Island. And the bit just above the tip of the kayak has got to be Cape Wrath. The northwestern tip of Scotland. It cannot be anything else other than Cape. Sandstone Bay, it's all sandstone here now. It absolutely reeks of guano. Coming to the end of my tape. I think that's Quinag at the back there, the big one. The mountain. A mountain. Alright, it's the mountain. hell! Oh. What is the point in rain like this? It's just shit. The seal here. I'll find my way back through this tide now. A tidal stream. Little things. Little Jenny Wrens. That's it, Bob. Opposite way to what I want you to do. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Lovely little thing. It's like a little Jenny Wren. Oh, seabird. Mind if it's on this boat. Journey's end. Oh, I didn't think I was going to be able to get the boat out then. I thought it was going to be a boulder field. There's a thing cleared out. Look. Look how beautifully green that water is. I mean, that is just fantastic. Oh, what a sight for sore eyes that is. Thought I was going to have to negotiate right round there then. Thank Christ for that. Christ, don't like think I was getting a powerboat out here now. You would need 4x4. 7.11 miles I've done. Can't believe that. Bloody hell. 7 miles it rain. The rat that drowned. Oh yes. Look at the state. Yeah, that's the other thing I've learned about today. Dry top, but sure.